guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be a little different. It's going to be a what's for dinner keto. I'm just starting my keto journey, so this dinner will be keto friendly, but I do have a family, so I did make them a banana pudding for dessert. Okay, so starting with the banana pudding first because it needs to go in the fridge and chill for about an hour or more before dinner. So we need 1 package of instant vanilla pudding. It's not really focusing here. But sweetened condensed milk. There it goes. Sweetened condensed milk. And we need an 8-ounce thing of cream cheese. You need a half a container of Cool Whip, 2 boxes of vanilla wafers, and I use 6 bananas. Now, of course, you can use more or less bananas, and same with the wafers. You can use more or less of the wafers. It's just according to what you like. We're going to start off by dumping the 2 packages of the vanilla wafers into your pan, but save about 7 or 8 of them because we're going to use that for at the end for the topping. And then we're going to cut up the 6 bananas that I'm using just on top of the vanilla wafers.
We used to be fun. You used to care. Darling, we built a home, a life, but now all of that is gone, I fear, my dear. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm leaving the light on if you come back around. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm holding on until forever I will fight, but you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from this deep black waters, pull you in while you drift.
Okay, so now we're going to move on to making the pudding, and then first you're going to use the instant vanilla pudding and just go by the directions on that box, which calls for 2 cups of milk. And now we're going to mix that up, and then we're going to set that to the side while we mix the other ingredients up.
Yeah, we used to laugh. You were all that I had.
Okay, so now to mix up the remaining ingredients, we're going to put the 8-ounce cream cheese, the can of sweetened condensed milk, and the half of container of Cool Whip. And then we're going to mix that together, and then we're going to fold in the instant vanilla pudding that we just mixed up in the other container.
Leaving the light on if you come back around. I'm holding on until forever I will fight, but you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from this deep black waters, pull you in while you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from this deep black waters, pull you in while you drift away. You drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from this deep black waters, pull you in while you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from this deep black waters, pull you in while you drift away. Yeah, you drift away. To be fun, you used to care. Darling, we built a home, a life, but now all of that is gone, I fear, my dear. Ooh, 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 ooh. drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from this deep black waters, pull you in while you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from this deep black waters, pull you in while you drift.
Okay, so now those vanilla wafers that you saved earlier, we're gonna put those into a Ziploc bag, and I'm gonna crush those up and then sprinkle those on top of the banana pudding for finishing touches, and then it is all done. And then I'm gonna put it in the fridge and let it chill for like an hour or so. And now I'm gonna move on to making my keto-friendly dinner.
So I gave you my all, and now all of that is gonna feel. You know all of that is gonna do. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm leaving the light on if you come back around. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm holding on until forever I will fight, but you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from this deep black waters, pull you in while you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from this deep black waters, pull you in while you drift away.
Okay, you guys, dinner is done, but before I can start dinner, I need a clean slate. This kitchen has got to be clean. I mean, my mind will not let me start cooking and this kitchen is a mess. Who else is like that?
I'm holding on until forever I will fight, but you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from this deep black waters, pull you in while you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from this deep black waters, pull you in while you drift away. Yeah, you drift away. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up.
Okay, so dinner, I'm starting with this butterball turkey sausage and this rice cauliflower stir fry from Trader Joe's. It is so good, but I also add my own onion in it. It comes with green peas, red peppers, onions, I can't remember what else. But anyway, like I said, I add my own onion in. I'm gonna saute the onions, and then I'm gonna add the sausage, and then I'm gonna dump the bag of the cauliflower stir fry in there and let that simmer, and that's pretty much it.
Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
Okay, you guys, so this is pretty much done. All I do now is just add 2 eggs to it. I just spray some Pam and just crack 2 eggs, and then I just mix that in, and that is it. Dinner is done, and it's keto friendly because it's cauliflower rice. It does not look aesthetically pleasing, but you guys, this is so delicious. If you have a Trader Joe's nearby or something similar, definitely give this a try because this meal is really good. Okay, you guys, so that is it for today. I hope this video gave you some ideas, but before you leave, please comment below what you're having for dinner tonight. I would love to know. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!
Forever.